Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking in. How you doing? Guys, I'm checking in because I'm excited to tell you how you can make $500 a day from your phone, guys. Only need Wi-Fi and you only need a phone to be able to do what I do, guys. I am a part of a community called Standing on Business, and I'm here talking about standing on business. Hey, Henry, how are you? Welcome in, friend. Happy Saturday. Hope you're having a fantastic day, friend. Coming on here talking about Standing on Business, the community that I'm a part of. Henry, are you a part of Standing on Business? Are you part of Standing on Business family? If you are, hey, Standing on Business family. Hey, Keith 2000, how are you? So, guys, let me ask you something for those who are tuning in and those who are watching on the outside. If you lost your job today, like me, I just got laid off my job. If you lost your job today, would you have any additional income to be able to support you meantime and between time while you find another job? Or if you decide to want to have a multiple stream of income, do you have another stream of income if you lost your job today? Would your income stop if you lost your job today? Now, because I just got laid off, my income did not stop because I had another stream of income that was coming in. Hey, Mary, welcome in. That was coming in, and I was still able to generate some income. Hey, Teresa, hey, girl. Meantime and between time, you know? So that was exciting. I had learned digital marketing. I was on this free app called TikTok, and I saw a mom on here, and she had made $10,000 in her first 15 days. She said she was a broke bartender with 3 children, and she said she decided to do digital marketing. She had made over $10,000. So now, since I've been talking to her, now she's already made over $500,000. But I messaged her when I saw her scrolling on this app right before I got laid off, and I said, hey girl, what are you doing? I want to do it too. I need to do something different, all the things. And I'm glad I asked her that because guess what? I ended up getting the call yes, saying that I was laid off my job, and my manager said, hey, I want to do some other things with that money. Hey, Rebecca, how you doing, girl? All that money that we're giving you, we want to now do something else with that money so you will no longer have a job. So yes, they decided to lay me off, but I'm on here sharing with you the additional income that I had, and I'm making money on this app, on this free app right now. Hey, Be Determined, how you doing? Hey, Pookie, hey, Pookie. I'm on here on this free app. Hey, West Joe Living, on here on this free app, sharing with you, doing the same thing, and all I'm doing is sharing with you how it's working for me, and then you could do the same. You see what I'm saying? Tell somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody, and that's all I'm doing. Hey, Lakinia, how you doing, girl? So anywho, I'm just letting you know that this is a stream of income that I was able to tap into right before I got laid off my job, right? Boom, there you go. So I'm asking because I'm dealing with real life, right? This is real life situations. You never know when somebody's going to tell you that your job is going to end, right? You never know. I didn't know. I was shocked. They had laid off the president, right, of the company. They had laid off the CFO of the company. And I was sitting there saying like, oh man, they laid off the human resource department. The lady for the director of human resource, they had laid Kate off when she was on maternity leave. So you're sitting there, hey, Digital Rich, you're sitting there like, man, who they going to lay off next? And then they called me and said, Sharita, we need to talk to you. I'm like, oh my God. I'm like, is it me? Like, Lord, please don't tell him it's me. Well, yep, it was me, y'all. It was me. Yep, it was me, y'all. Lord have mercy. It was me. It was me. Hey, Scott, I didn't want it to be me. You know what I mean? I really was like, man, now they got more money to give me a raise, or now they got more money to promote me, or whatever. Nope. The guy say, hey, we gonna take the money we paying you and do something else with it. Cool, boom. That's what they're still doing. But at the end of the day, guys, you're showing up every day, guys, because you have to. Nobody says that they want to work a 9 to 5 forever. I know I don't. I don't want to work a 9 to 5 forever. I do not, right? So I know what it feels like to depend on one paycheck. I know what it feels like to work paycheck from paycheck. I know what it feels like to feel stuck, right? Because I felt stuck, even in the midst of them not letting me go. Hey, Marlene, I felt stuck there. You see what I'm saying? So I'm not upset that they let me go, because sometimes God will release you. God will take you out of situations so you can push forward and do some other things that will open up a bigger window for you, so you can be a blessing to yourself and be a blessing to others. You see what I'm saying? So certain things have to happen in your life. Certain things have to take place in order for you to say, okay, I'm going to put one foot in front of the other. I'm going to trust God and I'm going to move forward. You see what I'm saying? So I'm not mad. No, I'm not mad. I'm not upset that they decided to let me go. Was I like wanting to know, like, man, what I'm going to do next? I was like, oh, digital marketing. I was already working on that prior to me getting started. Hey, Candy Life, how you doing, girl? So at the end of the day, guys, like I said, how many of you that are watching, how many of you feel stuck? How many of you need more income? I needed more income. So this is why I'm doing what I'm doing, right? So comment me. Hey, M. John Duck, comment me if you need more income. Let me shift something for you. You don't need more time. I don't need more time, even though time is going by so fast, right? Time is speeding at the speed of light. We're already finna go into April. So time is going by so fast, right? But because digital marketing fits into my life, meaning I'm able to still spend time with my family. family now. Matter of fact, since they laid me off, hey, Carol Washington, hey, Canoe, I'm able to spend more time with my family than I did when I was actually working. Do you see what I'm saying? Hey, Lynn Miller, how you doing? So I'm able to spend more time, which I love that now, you know, because I'm like, man, you miss out on so much. Haley Cassie, while you at work, you miss out on so much. You know, you're always at work. It take you 10 hours to get to work if you have to drive in, 10 and a half hours. Some people only give you a 30-minute lunch, so you don't have any breaks, things of that nature. So you have to do all these things in order to move forward. But something gets neglected. Your family, hey Nene, hey Lori, yourself, things get neglected. So at this time, I've been taking all of the energy of me not having a job, not having a role, coming out here sharing with you guys about my digital marketing. Hey, Toxic. And doing all the things and still doing digital marketing. Now, I'm having a ball. I'm being honest. I'm having a total ball, right? Out here sharing with you guys because it still gives me a lot of time. Hey, Lisa Barnes. Hey, Skyless. Hey, Imani. Hey, girl. It gives me time to spend time with my family and I still make money, right? One thing I love about digital marketing, that was another reason that I wanted to come on here and share with you guys, because all day I've been able to share digital marketing and be able to have conversations with people about digital marketing. But all you need is a phone. Hey, Carly. Hey, girl. Hey, Imani. All you need is your phone. All you need is Wi-Fi. And all you need to do to be able to just do it. Just put the time into it and just take the time even if it's 20 minutes a day, even if it's 15 minutes a day, you're still working your business. Hey, Juanita, how you doing, girl? Hey, Quill. That's what I'm doing, friends. I'm coming on here sharing with you. One thing about digital marketing is I don't need any inventory. I don't need no inventory. I don't need to ship anything. All I have to do is just share it. And somebody say, hey, how do I do what you do? Hey, Monet, how do I do what you do? Hey, MB, how do I do what you do? Hey, Leela, that's all I have to do, right? So that's why I'm coming on here. Oh, and no begging people. One thing I love about digital marketing, you don't have to convince anybody. All of us are tired. All of us want to get out of the 9 to 5. I call this my 9 to 5 escape plan. That's what I call this, my 9 to 5 escape plan. Yes. And digital marketing is the cheat code. I'm just being honest. Now, I've always wanted to learn digital marketing. I always wanted to learn it, but I didn't know how to sit down and learn it because I was always busy with my 9 to 5. But something told me right before I got laid off, start getting into digital marketing. Start learning about it. Start giving yourself another avenue and another income so you could be able to learn how to support yourself and give yourself an additional stream just in case. It was just like, do it just in case. You know how people been telling you to, how they say, buy the food because there's not going to be any food in the stores. Get the extra water. Hey, Nancy, because there's not going to be any water in stores. Hey, Digital Mark, there's not going to be any water in stores, so get your water. That's how I felt about getting started in digital marketing. Get started. Get you a second income. Get you another stream because you don't know. And then soon as I said that, hey, TC, I ended up getting laid off my job. So I'm so glad I did it, friends. I'm so glad I did.